My name is Tanja. I am the Senior Membership and Operations Officer at the European Social Network based in Brussels. We are a network of social services organizations all over Europe and beyond. Our mission is to inspire social services leaders to improve the lives of people in communities. We do that by organizing capacity building activities, bringing the voice of social services to the EU agenda, and most importantly, to empower professionals in social services across Europe. I love the fact that it was very easy to navigate through. It was divided in different areas, then you can easily identify what type of soft and hard techniques that you want to improve and learn different tips and tricks of what you can implement in your own daily work. Well, first of all, Melanie is great. I love the fact that her feedback was very direct and concrete. She immediately identified the areas that you can improve. During the sessions, I had really some aha moments, eye-opening moments that really helped me. I feel that I have more awareness. I present clearer messages. I know that I'm not perfect, but these training sessions also made me understand that it's a journey, and I also feel very motivated now to continue. I feel much more confident. I am not at all as nervous. I feel that I have created my own style when I can bring my own personal touch when presenting to other people. By presenting clearer messages, I believe that my presentations and the work of my colleagues at ESN will encourage the members of ESN and other professionals that we will work with to be part of our activities and most of all, improve social care in Europe.